The atmosphere at the roundabout before Michael Archie was bursting with the energy of heated arguments between the police and the community of the unrecovered kidnap victim. The protest brought traffic to a grinding halt. Protesters believe 5-year-old Nikahat's captors have not been fully brought to justice, which is why they've brought traffic on Boat Basin to a standstill and made sure the road on the way to Michael Archie lies completely devoid of traffic. This is the 5-year-old whose abduction has stopped traffic. The police insist that they are doing their level best and that the protests are unwarranted.
We have just pleased them and we requested them that be cooled down. We are working on it. Let us work. If they are on the roads, what can we do?
However, protesters do not feel the police is doing enough.
अल्लाह को पता है जो हमारा बच्ची किया है ये अल्लाह को पता है जो इस फिर भी वो कुत्ता भी लाया तो फिर भी उधर ही चला गया लेकिन अगर गवर्नमेंट करना चाहते हैं तो ये 10 मिनट भी मिल जाएगा ये कहाँ गया लेकिन हमारा हुक्मरान भी बेईमान है और गवर्नमेंट भी बेईमान है.
Protesters gave the police a 1-hour ultimatum, saying they would block all roads across Karachi if the child isn't recovered. Child kidnapping has unfortunately become more and more prevalent. The recent high-profile case of Sahil Saeed grabbed worldwide attention, and this may have led to his early and safe recovery. However, one wonders whether these people will be lucky enough to see their little girl return to them safe and sound. Anam Munir, Dawn News.